In this video, I'm going to share with you how to get traffic to your affiliate links for free using Facebook. So on my channel, I have talked about this a few times on how you can leverage free strategies on Facebook in order to get traffic to your affiliate links. So this definitely works great for a person who is brand new to online marketing and to affiliate marketing, and they're looking to make their first sales because maybe they're on a shoestring budget. Also, this works great for the experienced marketer because even if you are using your commissions and things like that for paid traffic, you can leverage this strategy as well. And again, you can earn some free money simply by posting on Facebook. So in this video, I'm going to share with you step by step on how you can do this. And again, this will work for any niche. And in this particular video, I will be focusing on the internet marketing, make money online niche. But even if you're not in that niche, still watch this video because you can just do the same thing, whether you're in the beauty niche, health and fitness niche, whatever it is. You can still do the same thing in order to get results. So if you're brand new to this channel, my name is Lindsay, and on this channel, I share with you guys tips and strategies on how to earn income from home. Now, if those type of topics interest you, make sure you go underneath this video, hit that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell so you can get updates when I do videos like this onto YouTube. So let's dive into this step-by-step tutorial so we can show you how to get your first commissions with this free traffic source. So what you want to do first when it comes to Facebook marketing is that you want to make sure that you're building up an audience of people who are going to be in the niche that you're promoting products with, okay? So if you're in the make money online niche, it definitely just makes sense that your friends list consists of people who are also in the affiliate marketing, make money online niche. Because whenever you are talking about affiliate marketing or anything like that on your profile, you want to get tons of engagement on those posts. And if your audience doesn't match what you are selling, then you're not going to get that kind of engagement that you want, and you definitely won't be able to make commissions with this strategy. So how do you do this? How do you do this if you're in the make money online niche? What you want to do is you want to go to a website called muncheye.com. Now, this is another site that I have covered on this channel, and this is a site where you can go and actually find products to promote in the affiliate marketing niche. The affiliate marketing make money online niche. And these are all the upcoming launches that are happening in the next few days, next few weeks, and things like that. So what I want to do is, because a lot of these people, they have, released products over and over again. So what you would want to do is you want to go down the line and actually Google search some of these names to see if they have Facebook groups. In a lot of cases, they do. Sometimes it probably won't be under their name. Sometimes it is. And what you want to do is you want to join their Facebook groups. Why? Because if they have released products several times, more than likely they have a Facebook group, and those Facebook groups consist of buyers of their products. So we already know that these groups are filled with buyers. That's what we want to connect with. We want to make sure that not only are we building our audience of people who are also in the make money online niche or the internet marketing niche, we also want to make sure that we are building up a friends list of buyers, right? So what we want to do is we want to try to find one of these. And for the sake of this video, what I'm going to share with you is how I joined one group by a really popular marketer out there. He has released several products, and I know because I've purchased one of his products, I'm actually inside of his group, and this is for Jono Armstrong. Now, Jono Armstrong is a really popular online marketer, and he does really well in this space. So you can see his group right here has over 8,000 members inside of this group, right? And you see it's active inside of this group and everything else. So what I would do is that I will start sending out friend requests to the people inside of this group. And what I would do is I'll first start with the news feed, and I'll find people who have commented recently, and then I will reach out to them. The reason why I want to find the people who have commented recently, that means they're recently active on Facebook. I don't want to connect with somebody who the last time they posted was like a year ago in this group. I'm not sure if he's active or not. But what you want to do is you want to find people who have recently posted, and then also for people who haven't posted in a while, what you can do is you can check out their Facebook profile to see the last time they posted. If they posted in the last few days, send them a friend request. If they haven't posted anything at all, or their page looks spammy or something like that, don't send them a friend request. And what you want to do is you want to send out at least 100 requests per day from your Facebook. Now this works perfect if you do this strategy, this part of the strategy on your phone. You may run into an issue maybe if you're doing it on desktop, but on your phone you'll be able to add a lot of people as your friends on your mobile phone with this part of the strategy. So what you want to do is, again, you want to start building up your friends list, and you want to aim to try to max it out. You can have up to 5,000 friends on Facebook, so you want to aim to reach 5,000 members. Now once you have done that, the next thing you want to do is you want to find a product. And what we're looking at right now, we're looking at Digistore 24. And I also have a video on my channel about Digistore and how you can get signed up and things like that. And I'll also include a link in the description below this video so you can come directly to the site and you can sign up for free and you can find affiliate products to promote. So just like how I was saying with this strategy, you can be in any niche and you can actually find products to promote. So as we can see here in Digistore, they have a variety of niches that we can choose from in order to find products to promote. So again, we're in the online marketing or internet marketing business, so I'm going to click on this tab. And what you want to do is you want to find a product to promote. So you have Tube Mastery here. You have the YT Affiliate Profits course. You have that here. You have another YouTube course. And then what you want to do is you want to come through here and you want to find a product to promote. Now once you have found a product to promote, you can see over here how much you can earn in commissions. They will actually give you your link right here that you can promote with. And you can also see additional information about the product that you need to know. And then also click here for affiliate support. So that just means if you click on this link here, it'll give you all the details about...
Hello, Side Hustle Dominant.
Put that on mute. It'll give you all the information you need to know as an affiliate, so that way you can promote this product as best as you can. Because if you promote this product and you earn money, guess what? The vendor earns money as well. So they're going to give you the best information so that way you can earn more commissions. So if you're enjoying the content so far, make sure you go underneath this video, hit that subscribe button. Also give this video a thumbs up, and let's get back to the content. So you can see here they're giving you swipes, they're giving you banner ads, everything that you need in order to promote this product. And then if you want to see what the sales page looks like, click on this link here. It'll take you to the sales page. So when somebody clicks on your affiliate link for this product, this is the page that they're going to see. So what you want to do is you can use some of this terminology off of this page. And what you want to do is you want to create a Facebook post asking your audience a question. So make sure, again, you're adding people to your Facebook. So what you want to do is that you want to take some of this wording over here on this page, and you want to create a Facebook post asking your audience a question. So the name of this product is actually called Side Hustle Dominator. So you can make a Facebook post saying, hey, does anybody want a free video on how to earn extra money with this side hustle business? And if so, leave a comment below. And if anybody that leaves a comment, all you want to do is you want to send them a private message where you are sending them this information. So like I did here on my Facebook, I had a free cheat sheet that I was giving away to people, and it included my top 6 traffic sources. So this is what I added. Learn 6 ways that I am getting daily traffic to my affiliate links. If you want the cheat sheet, comment traffic list below. And look what we have here. All these people have left a comment. So what I did was I sent them a private message and I gave them this free PDF. And inside this free PDF, I had given away the information that I was talking about. I made due on my promise. And then I also included affiliate links throughout this actual cheat sheet to products that I'm promoting. And I actually made a video about this, and it's called How to Make Money with Google Docs. And I'll include that information below this video. So what you would want to do is you want to create like the same type of post, and you can just ask the question, who wants to learn how to make money doing this side hustle? Comment for the link below. And then anybody that leaves a comment, you're going to send them a private message, and then you're either going to send them your link right here. You can send them this link right here that will actually bring them to this sales page. Or what you can also do is that you can send people to a bridge page. And this is a bridge page right here. This is a bridge page that I'm using for a product, an affiliate program that I'm promoting. And I included a video here giving some information about what the actual system is. I didn't give too many details because I'm not trying to sell them on this bridge page. What I'm trying to do is sell them on clicking the link below to go to the sales page, right? And then I'm including a bunch of testimonials here from people inside of the group who are also having success. And then, so if somebody was to look at this and they watch this video and then they see all these testimonials of people having results, what they're going to do is they're going to click on this button here to learn more about the system. So that's how you can do it. You want to make sure that you create a post asking people if they want a free video to learn about how to make money with side hustles. And then anybody that leaves a comment, you either give them your direct affiliate link here or you send them to a bridge page. Now the benefit of the bridge page is that like I made this page in LeadPages. So if you use anything like LeadPages or ClickFunnels or something like that in order to create this bridge page, the benefit of this is that you can add your Facebook pixel onto this page and you can create an audience for ads. And later on, this is more of an advanced strategy, but you can create a retargeting ad and you can retarget the people who have actually visited this page and give them more details about the product that you're promoting, or you can even use that same audience to promote other affiliate products with. And with retargeting ads, they are really, really cheap. And again, this is more an advanced strategy, but that's one of the benefits of sending people to a bridge page instead of just like, your affiliate link. But if you're just getting started, send people directly to this affiliate link, right? And then what you want to do is, because sometimes people get busy or whatever else, you want to wait at least 24 or 48 hours. And then you want to come back to this list. And then you want to message these people again and follow up to see if they checked out the information. Sometimes they just forget. And if you do that, it'll be a reminder for them and they'll probably end up purchasing the product. But this is one way that I've actually been generating a lot of sales with affiliate marketing for years using this Facebook strategy. Right? So what I would do on my Facebook is that I will post motivational quotes. I'll post something that's educational where I'm actually teaching people something about how they can have success with online marketing or something like that. I'll share something about my life. Like maybe if I went out to hang out with my sister or something like that, I'll make a post, and take a picture of me enjoying my lifestyle. And then I'll make a post like this asking my audience a question. Hey, do you want a free video on how to do X, Y, and Z? And then for anybody that leaves a comment, I connect with them, I give them my link, and that's how I'm able to generate sales. That is by far one of the easiest ways that you can get free traffic to your affiliate links, especially if you're just getting started. And again, this works for any strategy because even if you are in the beauty niche, right? So all you would do is just put beauty into the search bar on Facebook. We're going to sort by groups. And then we're going to find beauty groups on Facebook. And what you want to do is you want to find the groups that have a lot of members in it. And this group right here, this one I'm already a part of. It has 77,000 members inside of this group. And what you would do is you'll come inside of this group and you will friend request the people that are inside of this group. And now on your Facebook profile, you have people who are fans of the beauty niche, right? Who like makeup products and hair products. And then you can become an affiliate for Sephora. And then if you find like a cute lipstick or a hairspray on Sephora that you use, all you would do is just grab your affiliate link, tell people like, hey, who wants to check out this new lipstick that I just absolutely love? It's a new red lipstick. And you include your affiliate link. And then people go to your affiliate link. And if they go to Sephora and they see it and they purchase it, you earn a commission. That is by far one of the simplest ways that you can do this strategy. And you can start doing this week. And it costs you no money to do this. If you want to learn how I'm actually making money online, and it's actually my best way to make money online, especially with affiliate marketing, go underneath any of my videos, including this one. And what you want to do is you want to click on this link here, and it will take you to my #1 way that I make money online with affiliate marketing. So in this video, I share with you how to get traffic to your affiliate links for free using Facebook marketing. So if you have any questions about anything that I covered in this video, make sure you leave a comment below. Also, any website that I share with you inside of this video, I'll include that in the description below this video. Make sure you subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.